Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add a Google Drive folder to your Google Sites page. Yeah, the full 2026 method. It's simple, but there are a few steps you really need to get right, so let's walk through it. So first, open up your Google site. You can either create a new one or just pick the site you're already working on. Once you're inside the editor, we'll jump right to the part where the folder goes. On the right-hand side, you'll see that Insert tab. Yeah, the one with all the widgets. Scroll a bit if you need to, and look for the option called Drive. That's where the magic happens. After you click Drive, a window pops up with all your files. Now, here's the key thing. Switch over to the Folders section, because sites can only embed a folder if you select the actual directory. Pick the folder you want to display and hit Insert. Once the folder lands on your page, you can drag the corners to resize it. You can also reposition it anywhere on the layout, so just move it until it feels right. This is what your visitors will see on the live site. Now this part's important. If your folder is private, people won't see anything. So, yeah, open that folder in Drive, right-click it, and choose Share. Set the visibility to anyone with the link can view. That way, the folder actually shows up for your visitors. When everything looks good, just click the Publish button at the top right. Give it a second, reload your site, and the folder should show up exactly the way you placed it. And that's it. That's how you add a Google Drive folder to Google Sites in 2026. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.